All right, so what's the plan tonight?
Okay, tonight we are gonna do something crazy. First of all, we're gonna take the tail cone down and sit it down on the garage floor. You can see I got some cardboard down here, so the bottom of the tail cone is protected from the concrete a little bit.
Okay.
And we're gonna take the tail cone, we're gonna sit it down on the ground, and we're gonna rivet this aft top skin in place.
Sure.
So in order to do that, obviously with it down on the ground, I gotta crawl inside.
Right, yeah. And you're using that blanket?
I've got 2 blankets here. These are, I don't know, old blankets. Here's a good tip. We bought old blankets at Goodwill to cover up and protect, really to make sure spiders don't get inside since I'm in the garage. But it keeps the dust and stuff off it, and they're cheap, and it, you know, does the job. So that's
some people may not know that we had the horizontal stabilizer up there for storage.
Yeah.
Kept it out of its way.
Nice and safe and sound up there.
Okay, let's get going.
All right.